Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a short comparison between the Bazzite, ChimeraOS, and HoloISO, of which SteamOS alternative is better. So if you're looking for the most up-to-date, hardware-friendly gaming Linux experience, Bazzite stand out with that one. Built-in Fedora with pre-installed NVIDIA drivers, robust handheld support like Steam Deck, Legion Go, etc., frequent updates, and a full desktop mode if you want. Next is Chimera OS. This one offers a console-style experience. It boots into the Steam Big Picture UI, supports multiple game stores in handhelds, and is quite polished for lounge or TV gaming. But it's less suited for daily desktop use, and NVIDIA support was recently dropped. So that's a bad one for the NVIDIA users. Lastly is the HoloISO. Well, once promising and very close to the architecture of SteamOS, is now largely unmaintained and missing broad hardware support. So unless you have very specific older AMD hardware, it's a riskier choice. So in short, if you want an all-round support and modern hardware compatibility, you must go with Bazzite. If you want a streamlined couch gaming OS and are comfortable with its constraints, then Chimera OS is for you. But if you're constrained by legacy hardware and don't mind trade-offs, then Holo ISO, but realistically, it's the fallback.